My name is Sarah Imhoff, and I'm with Imprint Architecture and Design, and I'm here at Kyodai, which is a new single-family residence that we designed. And it's located on Square Lake out in Marine on St. Croix. The history behind the name of this house, Kyodai, comes from the house next door, which is a Frank Lloyd Wright designed home. And our clients were gifted those plans. And in turn, they designed and built those plans and incorporated that design into the topography and landscape here out on Square Lake. And so when we were leaning into the design of their house next door, this house, we were really thinking about how can we complement the Frank Lloyd Wright house next door without duplicating it? How can we design something that's somewhat budget friendly while still lasting the test of time next door to the Frank Lloyd Wright house? And so really what we were hoping to do is design kind of a brother, if you will, to the Frank Lloyd Wright house, so similar but different. And that's what the name Kyodai means. It means brothers in Japanese. We were also taking influence from Japanese architecture. We have some nice long wood hemlock ceilings here, and there's a lot of concrete and just linear elements. We were taking cues from Frank Lloyd Wright with his bricklaying patterns for the fireplace walls that we designed. Also, in addition to that, our clients, much like brothers, they also have two dogs that are actually brothers, Yoshi and Bear, and they're also the inspiration for this house. All right, here we are in the entryway of Kyodai, and it's an 1,800 square foot home that is designed at one level for age and place living. But really what we wanted to do is make this small home feel large. And so we have the Andersen E-Series windows and doors that wrap around the entire living room space and then go out to the lake and look at the views outside. As we walk into the entry, we have this 8-foot tall Andersen door here. You can see it's really wonderful to open and close and get a lot of cross ventilation into the house. Okay, so we're gonna talk a little bit about the kitchen, my favorite part. Believe it or not, these countertops and backsplash are not leather. They're actually acid-etched concrete, but they take the look and appearance of leather. We really wanted a neutral, warm, rich tone for this home. Just kind of inspired by Japanese architecture and natural wood and natural materials. We just wanted this warm, earthy feel for this home. And so we've incorporated walnut cabinetry, some black accents, which really go great with the Andersen E-Series windows that we chose. And then also these beautiful countertops and the backsplash, which work really well with the fireplace and the stone on the fireplace walls. And then as we come down the design of the house, it's actually the shape of the floor plan is a Y. And so we're getting these really great angles that we're able to work with, where we have these inner angled windows here at the corners of the Y, and again over on this side of the house. So floor to ceiling, these are actually all triple pane windows. They're 8 feet tall, and they provide a ton of insulation, a lot more so than double pane. And then we also have these large overhangs on the south side of the house that help protect some of the direct sunlight so it doesn't get too hot in the space. Moving down the hallway here, we have, again, more sliding doors throughout the whole house. That's really to help connect the indoor-outdoor space and also help have more direct access to the lake. This is definitely my favorite view in the house here. As you can see, just this glorious view from the bedroom out onto the lake. And then also, if you peek around the corner, you can get a glimpse of the beautiful Frank Lloyd Wright home next door that we designed this house based on the inspiration for that house. And then as you walk into the closet area of the bedroom, we really just wanted to carry the sight lines of this fireplace element that acts like an anchor to the design. Wanted to carry that outside. So we have a fixed pane of glass here, as well as transoms above, where you can really see this floating roof line that we have outside. Coming on into the bathroom, one of my favorite features is this small little window that's actually packing a lot of punch. We have medicine cabinet built in here with mirrors, so we're getting a lot of light and reflectivity. And then also when you're looking through the window, you can see through the windows beyond, actually, on the garage wing of the house. And you can also see the beautiful roof line and the stone that we've incorporated throughout the design of the home. As mentioned before, all the windows are triple pane. And what we were trying to do with all of the sliding doors was really create a beautiful airflow running in and out. And that allowed us to have 8-foot tall windows without breaks or mullions in the windows, and have unobstructed views out to the lake. So the kitchen is my favorite space because, as you see, it's not on axis with the actual living room space. It takes an angle and it guides you as you lead to the other wings of the house.